Hey guys, for this video, I will show you how to add variants on Big Cartel. First, log into your account. Once inside the dashboard, click on Products on the upper ribbon. Now select your product that you want to add variants. Scroll down until you're in the variant section. Then just click on Add. Here, just type in your variant name. You can add in a colors if you want. So just type in different colors of your product. For here, you can also change the price for each variant. And once done, just click on Save. Now, if you view your product, just click on Accounts. Then preview your shop. And if you click on that product, you can select an option with which will show your product variants. And that's it. That's how you add a variant on Big Cartel. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.